Hey, are you looking for the best mini drone under $100 from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress mini drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the best mini drone is V8 4K mini drone. Recently, this mini drone price is $18.99. It has a smart control system. Gently toss 4D V8 to get it to start, using your hands to make the drone go up and down or side. Simply use the controller to have full range flying and change the speed at will. The pocket drone can be hand operated or remote controlled. There are also 5 sensors to sense front, back, left, right and bottom. Throw to go, made it do auto rotating, circle fly, and 3D flip by gesture control. It has come with 3 powerful batteries. You can have a 20 to 27 minute flight. Modular design and USB charging cable make charging more safe and convenient. This drone equipped with an auto hover. It will take off and hover at a certain height by a short press of the 1-key takeoff button. The headless mode will help the pilots at any level fly and operate the drone easily. 3 speed modes for different pilots. All 4 propellers are fully covered with full protection guards. Altitude hold enables drones to auto hover. The drone can stay at its current height when the pilot's hands are off the controller. In at number 4, the mini drone is Snaptain A10MQ mini drone. Already this drone price is $34.30. The mini foldable drone equipped with a 720-pixel HD camera, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. You can watch a live video on your smartphone for beautiful scenery by Wi-Fi real-time transmission. You can control your drone with simple voice commands like takeoff, landing, left, right, forward, and backward. Gesture control allows you to pose to the camera to trigger phone taking and video recording. Snaptain A10 is a versatile drone. You can perform stunts like 360-degree flip, circle fly, and high-speed rotation. And you can also draw a path in your app interface. The drone will fly following the path accordingly, which is the newest technology. It has gravity sensor mode, altitude holds mode, headless mode, throw flying function, 1-key start, landing and return, emergent stop, and 3-speed mode adjustment. Which are the best choice for kids and beginners? Foldable and flexible blades make the drone small and portable. 2 modular batteries can support a longer flight time for you and your family. Which makes your flight more exciting and interesting. The gravity sensor mode enables the quadcopter to follow the direction you move your smartphone, making the flight more interesting. The headless mode function offers the convenience of not having to worry about which direction the drone is facing, making it great for beginners. In at number 3, the best mini drone is R11 4K mini drone. The R11 drone with 4K camera is one of the affordable beginner-level quadcopters that you can buy for an exhilarating flight experience. However, a good aircraft is known for its features, specifications, and flight functions. Now, this drone price is $50.98. This drone has an HD wide-angle 90-degree adjustable camera with 50x zoom. You can capture unforgettable moments without distortion, and view the image on your phone through a wide-angle lens. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to app, a PK system to take photos and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. Very suitable for flagship aerial photography. The RC quadcopter body is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics. The arm is foldable, small in size, easy to carry, lightweight and durable, and very easy to operate. 3.7-volt, 1000 mAh intelligent lithium battery, about 15 minutes of flight time. GPS returns to the takeoff point with 1 key. Brushed coreless motor, superpower, long life. Indoor flight is more stable with an optical flow camera. Camera pictures can be rotated and enlarged and shrunk. The camera can be switched up and down. This is a perfect drone that can fly easily and stably for beginners, children, beginners, or novices. In at second place, the drone is JJRC 4K drone. Already this drone price is $64.14. This drone has multiple function. Up and down, turn left and right, forward and backward, sideward flight, Wi-Fi connection, dual camera, follow mode, optical flow position, 1 key return, 1 key to land and take off. Trajectory flying mode, speed switching, gesture video, gesture photo, MV production. 3 control modes including joystick mode, classic mode, and motion sensing mode. The high-resolution 4K camera with 90-degree adjustable angle and 5G Wi-Fi image transmission captures the most beautiful scenery and offers a super sharp image, giving you an extraordinary journey. The optical flow position is mounted in the horizontal direction, and the air pressure is set at a high altitude to achieve stable flying, making the picture clearer. Upgraded GPS positioning system, back to home with one button, back to home automatically when there is low power, back to home when it lost control. It allows you to draw your trajectory route on the app control interface, and the aircraft will automatically fly along the drawn trajectory with the current position. When facing the front lens of the camera, specified gestures can be recognized and connect to the camera function of the aircraft. You can take photos by victory gestures and shoot videos by box gestures or palm gestures. It has 7.4 volt, 1750 mAh long-lasting battery. The battery is modular in design and easy to replace. The high-energy density lithium battery boosts power and delivers 18 minutes of flight time. In at number 1, the mini drone is JJRC X16 GPS drone. Recently, this drone price is $98.99. This drone equipped with a 6K Escape high-definition wide-angle camera and GPS. The viewing angle is 120 degrees. Camera resolution is 4800 by 2700. Real-time image transmission 25 frames per second. Through optical flow and GPS positioning, the fixed height is locked, and the position is accurate and stable and in a suspended state, which effectively prevents screen shake when taking photos and videos. This drone made of high-quality environmental protection ABS flame retardant material. It has high hardness, abrasion resistance, scratch resistance, drop resistance, and good impact resistance. The classic exterior design is exquisite, with a sense of technology and movement. The 4-axis foldable body is easy to store and carry. After the aircraft is connected to GPS, open the app follow function, the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. It has a picture tracking function when the aircraft is 1 to 5 meters away from the aircraft. It will automatically recognize the object and follow the flight automatically. It is equipped with an LED light, a 6-axis gyroscope, with a gyroscope calibration function. It supports ascend, descend, forward, backward, left turn, right turn, 360-degree roll, headless, and speed adjustment mode. After activating the surround mode of the phone, the drone of the lens will always be aimed at the target. And the high and low speed can be switched at will without worrying about the direction. The operation is simple and safe. The maximum remote control distance is 500 meters. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.